How do cryptocurrencies work? In this beginner's level video, I'll explain how the global crypto highway works, why it's secure, how you store your digital money, and the secret keys that keep it all under control. Imagine this. What if sending money was as easy as sending a text? No banks, no delays, and no borders, just pure freedom. That's what cryptocurrency and blockchain make possible. But how does it all work? We have your answers. Cryptocurrencies work like the internet's global highway system. Imagine a highway system that stretches across the world, connecting every city and town. But instead of holding cars, this highway carries digital money, cryptocurrencies, and crypto assets like Bitcoin, HEX, and Ethereum. On this global network, you can send value, assets, and money directly to anyone, anywhere in the world without needing a bank, a middleman, or anyone's permission. Each quote-unquote car on this highway represents a transaction. It's like sending a digital letter filled with money. Once the car reaches its destination, the transaction is locked, recorded, and added to the blockchain. Think of the blockchain as this highway's traffic log. This system works because the highway, or network, is shared and maintained by thousands of people around the globe, not a single central authority. This is what makes it decentralized and secure. So let's talk about that. How the system stays secure. Here's where crypto's superpower, blockchain technology, comes in. Because every transaction is recorded on a shared public notebook, the blockchain. Instead of one person controlling the notebook, everyone in the network has a copy, and they all verify and agree on what's written. If someone tries to erase, fake, or change a transaction, everyone would immediately notice because their copy wouldn't match. It's like trying to cheat during a group exam where everyone compares answers. You'd be caught instantly. Another part of what makes cryptocurrencies work is the use of digital wallets. Digital wallets are where crypto is stored. Imagine you're going on a journey and you need a secure backpack to carry your valuables. In the world of cryptocurrency, that backpack is called a digital wallet. It's where your crypto lives. But here's the twist. Digital wallets don't actually hold your cryptocurrencies the way your physical wallet holds cash. Instead, they hold the keys, the special codes that give you access to your digital assets stored on the blockchain. Think of it like this. The crypto is locked up in a massive secure vault on the blockchain. Your wallet is the keychain that holds the keys, called private keys, to unlock your vault. Without your keys, no one, not even you, can access your crypto. You also need to know that there are different types of digital wallets. There are two main types. First being hot wallets. Hot wallets are like a digital locker. They are called hot because they are directly connected to the internet through your devices, making them easy to access for quick transactions from your devices. But that hot connection gives the wallet the power to call the shots with your secret keys. So, just like if you had a locker in your house, you have to make sure that no one else gets into your device's digital locker, or they can take what they want, just like you can. Examples of hot wallets would be mobile apps, browser extensions, or online wallets like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. They literally live on your digital device, connected to the internet, ready to be used. The second type are called cold wallets. They are like a bank vault far from your home. These wallets are thought of as cold because they have no connection to the internet. There's no live or hot connection. The command center to make transactions is offline, which makes your secret keys much safer to guard from hackers. Imagine locking your valuables in a bank vault. They're super secure, but because of such security, now you need to take extra steps to access them. For me, it's so worth the extra steps. because these wallets live off of the internet. You use them like you use a remote control. Examples of cold wallets are hardware wallets like Ledger, or my favorite, Trezor. I'll put links to the manufacturers in the description box below. Now, here's why digital wallets matter so much. Because digital wallets give you full control over your cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and HEX. You don't need a bank or a middleman. You hold the valuable keys to your crypto assets and money in your digital crypto wallet. But don't mess this up, because with great power comes great responsibility. If you lose your keys, your crypto could be gone forever. Learn from a cute little chick named Sarah. Sarah bought 5,555 HEX coins and stored them in a hot wallet on her phone. Yeah, it was convenient. She could easily check her balance and send HEX to her friends with just a few taps, like sending a digital gift card. But one day, while waiting for a flight at the airport, Sarah realized something alarming. By connecting to an unsafe public Wi-Fi network, she was unknowingly exposing her crypto wallet to potential hackers. It hit her that her crypto assets stored on her phone could be stolen without her even realizing it. Concerned about the risk, Sarah decided to move her Bitcoin and HEX coins to a Trezor hardware wallet, also known as a cold wallet. Transferring her funds felt like locking up treasure in a secure vault, far away from the reach of online thieves. From that point on, Sarah slept well, knowing her crypto assets were safe, no matter where she connected to the internet. In short, a digital wallet holds your personal keys to the world of crypto. Keep your keys safe, and your assets will always be secure and accessible to you and only you. Now let's talk about those keys though, because in crypto there are two kinds of keys that you'll use. The two kinds of keys that you'll use are private keys and public keys. They're crypto's version of your account number and password. To understand how cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and HEX work, you need to know about private keys and public keys, the foundation of security and ownership in crypto. Public keys. Public keys are your crypto account number. Let's think of it that way. A public key is like your bank account number. It's safe to share with others because people use it to send you crypto. Imagine, it's like sharing your email address so someone can send you a message. It's visible, but no one can access your inbox just by knowing it. Or think of it like this. Your public key is like the mailbox at a house. People can drop letters into it, but they can't open the mailbox or take anything out. A private key, on the other hand, is like your password or the key to your safe. It's a long, unique string of words that only you should know. If someone gets access to your private key, they can unlock your wallet and take your cryptocurrencies. Think of it like this. Your private key is like the key to a treasure chest. If you lose the key, you lose access to your treasure. If someone steals your private key, they have full control over what's inside. It's like giving someone your email password. They can read, delete, and send messages as if they were you. All right now, so let's talk about how public and private keys work together. First, public keys, they receive your crypto. You can share it with anyone, like your home address for deliveries. Your private key, though, is used to access and send your crypto. You must keep it secret, like your ATM PIN code or house key. To understand how cryptocurrencies work, it's super important to understand why private keys are so critically important. Because if you lose your private keys, you lose access to your crypto forever. There is no bank to call, no forgot password button. It's just gone. This is why many people back up their private keys offline or use hardware wallets to keep them safe. Check out how my buddy David handled his keys last week. David had 3 Bitcoin and 2 Ethereum stored in his digital wallet. He shared his public key with his friend Sarah, who sent him 500 HEX as a graduation gift. The public key made this possible because it allows Sarah to know exactly where to send the funds, like an email address. Still though, David's private key was securely stored away on his Trezor hardware wallet, which he kept locked in a safe at home. David understood the importance of protecting it. If someone had stolen that private key, they could have sent all his crypto anywhere they wanted. Knowing this, David never shared his private key with anyone else and always kept a secure backup of his private key written and hidden away for safety. In a nutshell, public keys are your crypto address. Share it freely to receive funds. Private keys are your secret password. Guard it with your life. Together, they ensure that only you can control your digital assets. Look, understanding how crypto works matters a lot because cryptocurrencies are revolutionizing the way we send, store, and access money. They cut out banks, they lower fees, and make global payments as easy as sending an email. The system is secure, transparent, and powered by everyday people, not the big institutions. This isn't just new technology. It's a shift toward financial freedom for everyone. Now that you understand the magic behind blockchain, crypto, and digital wallets, share this video with someone who's curious about crypto but doesn't know where to start. Let's make financial freedom something everyone can understand. And don't forget, this is Warren Lee bringing you HexIZMS, where crypto concepts are made simple to understand. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and smack that notification bell so you never miss another HexIZM lesson. You'll find valuable research links in the description box below to help you dive deeper into the world of cryptocurrency. See you in the next video.
HexIZMS.